वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल अगेन। तो आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है, थंबनेल से पता चली गया होगा, टाइटल से भी, दैट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन 23 जैन मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट टॉप 10 प्रॉब्लम्स जो हम सॉल्व कर सकते थे। इस सेट के अंदर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा अपने पर्सनल लेवल पे कि पेपर थोड़ा सा रिलेटिवली आसान था, उतना मुश्किल नहीं था। अगर हम बात करें 22 जनवरी शाम की शिफ्ट से, तो 23 जनवरी जो सुबह की शिफ्ट है वहाँ पेपर थोड़ा सा आसान आया था। मैथ्स पे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्क। पहला सवाल है हमारे पास, if x power 4 dy plus 4x cube y plus 2 sin x dx equals to 0 and f pi by 2 equal to 0। तो हमारे पास वैल्यू बतानी है पाई पावर 4 f पाई बाई 3 की। तो चलो देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करना है। पहला है x पावर 4 dy प्लस 4x क्यूब y dx प्लस 2 sin x dx इज इक्वल्स टू 0। नाउ यहाँ पे अब हम क्या करेंगे कि ये जो टर्म्स हमें दिखाई दे रही हैं, पहली दो टर्म्स, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो ये डी एक्स पावर 4 वाई लिखा हुआ है, राइट। इसका डिफरेंशिएशन है ये ऊपर, एंड यहाँ पे ये माइनस 2 साइन एक्स डी एक्स हो जाएगा, एंड आई विल इंटीग्रेट हेयर। so this value will become x power 4 into y, and this is sin x integration is minus cos x, so plus 2 cos x plus c. Now we have x pi by 2 y 0, so y 0 0, x pi by 2 cos 90 is 0, then c value is what? C value is nothing but 0. So we have x power 4 into y is equals to 2 cos x. Now what we have to find at x equals to pi by 3. So it is pi 4 3 power 4 into y value we have to find. 2 cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So now f pi power 4 into y. Y is my fx. This is 3 power 4. So what is this value will come? 3 power 4, and 3 power 4 is how much? 81. So option A is the correct option here, right? As you can see, very easy problem. Only you have to just notice here that what it is written. Now let's come to the next one. This is an ellipse equation we have, x square by 2 plus y square by 1 equal to 1, and this is the line equation. Intersect each other at A and B, then what is the angle AOB, where O is the center of ellipse. So now we have now let's make an ellipse so that we can solve it. Sorry for the interruption. Now this is the ellipse. X value is A value is root 2 and y value is 1. Now this line y equal to x plus 1. When x is 0, y value is 1, so I am here. And when y is 0, x value is minus 1, so I am here. So now this will be a straight line connecting these lines. Right? Now let's see what we have to tell next. We have to tell that this point is A, and from here this point is O. So this angle is how much? Basically this is A, this is O, this is B. So they want angle AOB. Now you can see this is 90 degree. So obviously the angle AOB is pi by 2 plus, right? So every option is pi by 2 except D. So D is not my answer. Now I have to find this angle, right? This angle I have to find. So for this I will make a perpendicular here, and in this triangle I want to find this angle, right? Before that I want to calculate the point A. So y value is x plus 1. Let's put it here. X square by 2 plus x plus 1 whole square by 1 equal to 1. So this is how much? X square plus 2, x square plus 1 plus 2x equals to 2. So this is 3x square plus 2 plus 4x equals to 0, plus 2. 2 to get cancelled, x is common. 3x plus 4, so x value is 0 and minus 4 by 3. So 0 we already seen, 0 y value is 1. So what will be the value at minus 4 by 3? Minus 4 by 3 plus 1 is minus 1 by 3, right? So in this triangle, just a rough diagram I'm making, this angle we want to find, right? In this triangle, this is the x coordinate. What is the x length? 1 by 3. and what is the y length? 4 by 3. Now from here tan theta value is how much? That is 4 by 3, not 4 by 3, it is 1 by 3 by 4 by 3. 1 by 3 by 4 by 3. This is x coordinate is how much? 4 by 3. This is, so 1 by 3 by 4 by 3. So 1 by 4. So theta value is how much? So what about angle AOB, dear students? That is pi by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 4. See, very simple. It is not so much big deal. So first option is the correct option here, right? I hope you understand it so far. Now let's move to the next one. Find the area bounded by maximum of sin x and cos x. Now let's solve this. Obviously, we'll use the graph. Now in this 0 to 3 pi by 2 we have to go. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2. Now let's first make the graph of sin x. Sin 91, sin 180, 0. Let's suppose this value is 1. And this is minus 1. Now cos x graph is this one, minus 1, and this is 0. Right? Now this is a point. One intersection point is this. This point is, I think, pi by 4. And this point is how much? 5 pi by 4. Third quadrant, na? So 5 pi by 4. Now we have to find the max of sin x and cos x. 0 to pi by 4, who is the maximum? Cos x is maximum. So I will take the area as cos x is maximum, plus pi by 4 to pi, sin x is maximum. And then this one, pi to 5 pi by 4. This value is maximum, this sin x again. But it is in the lower part, so below x-axis, so I will take mod dx also. And then 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. This value is maximum, cos x. Now simply we have to solve now. So the area will be cos x integration sin x 0 to pi by 4 plus, now sin x integration minus cos x, let it be minus here. This is minus cos x pi by 4 to pi, and next is sin x integration minus cos x, right? So mod is there, so no effect. So cos x pi to 5 pi by 4. And next one is cos x is sin x, but this is third quadrant, so it will be negative. The mod will open in negative here. And it is how much? 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. Now sin pi by 4 minus sin 0, 0. Cos pi minus 1, cos pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. This is cos 5 pi by 4 third quadrant minus 1 by root 2. Cos pi, so 1. This is minus 1 and this is 1 by root 2. Now let's put the value 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. So what is the answer we are getting? 3. So this is a very famous question. Many times it comes in exam also. This is the repeated question. So I can say this is a repeated version. So it is expected that if you have done PYQs very well, so these type of questions you don't have to leave. Okay. Next one. Again, very much easy question. Fourth one. Simply two determinants are equal. So what is the value of cos square x plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma? What we have to do? Let's simply expand. So if I expand this minus cos alpha, it will be minus cos beta cos gamma, and plus cos beta, it is cos alpha cos gamma, is equals to this side 1 if I use 1 minus cos square gamma cos alpha. This is cos alpha minus cos beta cos gamma. This is cos beta, and this one is cos alpha cos gamma minus cos beta. So this value is positive, this is positive, so 2 times of cos alpha cos beta cos gamma, 1 minus cos square gamma minus cos square alpha plus cos alpha cos beta cos gamma, cos alpha plus cos beta, so 2 times cos gamma and minus cos square beta. So this side cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Right? Don't use that method, 3D formula. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, sir. Okay. That is different. This is different. By mistake, it is coming the same answer. But don't do like this in the exam. Fifth one. Fifth one is again very much easy question. Integration. That is NCERT based. Okay. Simply nothing to do. If you can see here, pi by 24, 5 pi by 24. It is sin x by cos x if I change. So it will be cos 2x under root. Cos 2x under root. Right? Now nothing to do in this. Let it assume as I. And you can see that there is one concept, a to b if fx upon fx plus a plus b minus x, which it is coming as if we add them. So the answer is b minus a by 2, means upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. So 5 pi minus pi 24 by 2. So 4 pi by 48, 12. So answer is how much? Pi by 12. See, such an easy question. If you belongs to 23rd Jan morning shift, your math score should be very good. Okay, such an easy problem is coming. Now sixth one, again a repeated question. This is again a repeated question. Okay, how we can solve this? Pay attention. 100C 50 by 51 and up to 100C 100 by 101. What I will do? I will multiply by 101, divide by 101. So 101 I will send inside, right? And it will become 100 by 51 is 101C 51. See that property, right? Next one 101C 52. And finally 101C 101. Right? Now if you can see here, this sum is nothing but 1 by 101 sigma NCR. In place of n, what we have? I can say 101 CR plus 1, and R value starts from 50 to 100. Right? In this, the formula is 2 power n. NCR formula is 2 power n by 2 because half terms are there. Na? So I will write 101 2 power 101 by 2. So what we are getting? 1 by 101, 1 get cancelled. So 2 power 100 by 101. This is my final answer. Option A, right? Very simple. This is a repeated problem. PYQs are your gold mines for your preparation and selection in JEE. Be cautious with that. Seventh one, again a very easy problem. Vector A is given -1, 1, 2. Vector B is given 2, -1 and 1. Vector C is given as A cross B. So now let's find A cross B. I, J, K, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 1. Now let's solve this. I, 1 plus 2, 3, minus J. This is minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, plus K, 1 minus 2, minus 1. So it is 3I plus 5J. So C vector is nothing but 3, 5, minus 1. Now what is D? D is C cross B. So let's find that also. Right? Very easy, na? Very easy. 3, 5, minus 1. D is 2, minus 1, 1. So now let's solve I. 5 minus 1, 4. Minus J. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus K. Minus 3 minus 10 minus 13. So it is 4I minus 5J. So we have D also. What is the D value? 4 minus 5 minus 13. Now what they want? A minus B dot D. Let's find A minus B first. A minus B, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We have 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. A minus B dot D. Let's start. Minus 12, minus 10, minus 13. So it is how much? Minus 35. So option A. See how much easy it is, right? Option A. Very simple problem, NCERT based, you can also say. NCERT based problem is it is. Now, next is 8th. Variables is there, variates are given, statistics question. Mean is given to us 7 by 2. So how to find the mean? Mean is sigma xi by n. Now let's add all this. 17, 18. 18 minus 2, 16. 16, 16 cancel. So x plus y plus 9. Total how many terms it is? 5, 3, 8. 7 by 2. 2 cancel at 4. So x plus y equals to 28 minus 9 is 19. Very simple. Now variance. Variance formula is sigma xi square by n minus mean square. So let's do the square. 100 plus 49 plus 1 x square plus y square plus 4 plus 81 plus 256. And the mean is 7 by 2. So 49 by 4. And the value is given 293 by 4. Now calculation is there. Let's do the calculation part. So it is 293 is equal to 4 get cancelled at 2. So 150 it is 54 plus 81 plus 256 and minus divided by 2 minus 49, right? So 49 will get add here. 293 plus 50 is how much? 343. So 1 subtract 342. It's double. It is x square plus y square plus how much it is? 155 plus 80. 5, 235, 256, 1, 9, 491. This is 486 minus 491. Yes, 684 minus 491. How much? 391, right? 391, 193. Now two number if you are adding, it is 19, and when you are multiplying, it is 193, right? So what it should be? Let's calculate this once more time. 149, 150, and this is 4 plus 81 plus 256. 256, 260. So this value will be, yes, everything is looking perfect. So this is there. Now let's come to this one. X plus y is equals to 19. So when we are adding two numbers, 19 and then sum of square is 193. What could be the number? Let's take a guess. 12 and 7, right? So x will be 12, y will be 7. Now what they have asked, mean of this one. So x plus y plus 1, how much? 20, comma, x is 12, 7, and y minus x mod, that is 5. So what is the mean? 12, 12, 34, or sorry, 24, 44 by 4, and that is 11. So we are getting the mean as 11. Calculation part is there. Obviously, statistics is known for its calculation way, but the theme and concept is very much easy and repeating in nature. So this is also a very doable question in a limited time. Now let's come to the ninth one. Fx whole square is 25 plus 0 to x. Fx whole square plus f dash x whole square. So what is the mean of f ln1, ln2 and up to f ln 625? Now what we should do here, we have to differentiate. In earlier shift also I have solved these problems. Simply we have to use a rule, a Newton-Leibniz theorem. So let's differentiate on both sides. So 2fx into f dash x. 25 differentiation is 0, and this is fx whole square plus f dash x whole square. Let fx as y. So what is f dash x? dy by dx. Right now, before that, one more step, let's write. This will be sent to this side. So fx whole square plus f dash x whole square 2fx f dash x equals to 0. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is fx minus f dash x whole square. So fx is equals to f dash x. What is f dash x? dy by dx. Fx is y. Simple variable separable form. Integrate. 1 by y is ln y, and dx integration is x plus c. Now in this equation, if I put x equals to 0, f of 0 whole square, this whole part will become 0, is 25. So f0 is how much? 5, right? So at x equals to 0, y value is 5. So c value is how much coming? ln 5. So ln y x plus ln 5. So ln y by 5 x. Y by 5 is how much? E power x. Y is equals to 5 e power x. Y is basically f of x. Now they have want f ln 1. F ln 1 is how much? E power ln 1, that is 5 into 1. If f ln 2, 5 into 2, directly I am doing. Similarly, f ln 625, 5 into 625. What they ask? Mean of this whole. Let's find the mean. Sum of all, 5 plus 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 625. How many terms? 625 terms. 5 is common. What is the sum of 625 numbers? 625, 626 divided by 2, 625. Get cancelled. 2 get cancelled at 313. Multiply with 5. 5 3s are 15. 6 and 5 3s are 15. 1565. Any option? Yes, D option. 1565 is the correct answer. Right? Now let's move to next one. The final, and it is also repeating in nature. So those who have written 23rd morning shift, maths paper was very doable, because as you know, this is the paper that can be solved in a very fast manner. So let's hope what will be the result come for these events. Let's see the last problem. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is 6, so what is this value? Now, you know that, remember two things. Adjoint of A is determinant of A power n minus 1 and Ka is K power n determinant of A, right? When I remove this adjoint, what will come? 3 adjoint A square adjoint 2A to the power 2, 3 minus 1. Now 3 will come outside, but 3 power 3 and 2 is there, so 3 power 6. Adjoint A square adjoint 2A square. If I remove another adjoint, what will come? A square adjoint 2A, power will become 4, 2 into 2 4. Now I can separate this. A square 4 adjoint 2A power 4. This is 8 and the determinant of A is how much? 6. So 6 power 8. Now if I remove this adjoint, 2A power is 8, 4 into 2. 2 will come outside. So 2 power 3 into 8 is how much? 24, I guess. Right? 3 into 8, 24. Order is 3, na? Order is 3. Now determinant of A power is 8. So finally I have 3 power 6, 6 power 8, 2 power 24 into 3 power 8 again, 6 power 8 again. 2 power 8, 3 power 8, 2 power 24 and 2 power 8, 3 power 8. Let's solve this. 24 plus 8, 32 plus 8, 40. And 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. Let's compare with m into n. So m is 40, n is 22. What is m plus n? 40 plus 22, that is 62. Right? So this is answer of this problem is how much? 62. Very easy problem, right? Many questions are from repeated pattern. So I hope you understand the session and you like it also very much. Don't forget to show your support. Just like the video, share and subscribe, and keep watching us. Thank you so much.